I'm here in the CBD of Sydney, and as you can see behind me, there's lots of executives and suits all scurrying around from meeting to meeting. And at the end of the day, they'll probably jump in their fancy, expensive European cars and drive home to their Mossman mansions. Well, I've got a local hero that will give all those Euro cars a run for their money. Meet the G6E Turbo. The interior is as flash as a top floor office. I even think it's better than half the European models that are out there. Although there is the odd creak from some of the plastics just every now and then, but it is a vast improvement from the previous model. Features wise, well, there's everything you need. There's dual zone climate control and a premium audio sound system which even has iPod integration, which is great. It brings up your whole song list on the 7-inch colour display from your iPod. Safety wise, well, there's front airbags, side airbags, curtain airbags, stability control, reversing sensors, and there's even a reversing camera. So the cabin of the G6E will keep the hustle and bustle of the rat race out on your daily commute. But what does it drive like? Mated to the 6-cylinder engine is the ZF automatic transmission, which handles the city stop-start no problems at all. But even the busiest executive gets time off, and that's where the G6E comes into its own. The engine is a 270 kilowatt inline 6-cylinder producing 533 newton meters of torque. It'll give you plenty of grunt out on the open road. It will put so many of those European models to shame, not to mention some of its Aussie competitors. It handles a treat with sharp responsive steering, tons of grip, and the performance brakes are a nice bonus as standard equipment. It's equipped with Ford's luxury sports suspension. Now, when combined with the 19-inch optional wheels which this test car is fitted with, the car tends to follow a lot of the ruts in the road, and bumps like that one, the noise tends to protrude into the cabin. It's not quite as smooth and comfortable as a standard G6. So even if you're not a business executive but you fancy a bit of luxury, you don't need to look towards the European manufacturers. The G6E Turbo has all the luxury and performance you could need, and from a starting price of $54,990. That's half the price of its European rivals. Anyway, I've had enough of the city. I'm off to find some open roads.